What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Stuff's Too Legit. Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? So guys, today I have Buffalo Wild Wings. Before y'all get on to me, they left out my celery and carrots. Tear. Alright, so I have mozzarella sticks, I have fried pickles, I have lemon pepper, desert heat, mango habanero wings with lemon pepper fries, I have the marinara dip, some ranch, 2 times spicy, and you guys already know what to drink. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get right into this drink really quick because I'm really thirsty, and you would already know I got the little tiny one. I also have a water because y'all know how I roll. Alright, let's take a sip. Guys, I got these straws off Amazon. This one's like a little too big for the cup, but we will make do with what we got. Alright, if you haven't been here before, welcome, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna start off with the mozzarella stick. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna have a pull or not, to be honest. I don't think so, but you know, the first bite is always yours. And see? No pull, but super good. And I'm a little chopped up. If I came back like this, but that would just be like uncomfortable. So I wanted you guys to be able to see the food. Let's try one of these pickles. Do you guys like fried pickles? Because the sauce that they use for these fried pickles is so good. So, I have a little bit of a topic today. I was thinking of, I'm gonna try to talk as I go. I'm starving. You don't understand. We're just gonna get right into this lemon pepper, and we're just gonna go right for it. Don't do it, guys, because I'm hungry. You understand? So here's the wing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at it. It's so perfectly cooked. We're just gonna drip that right on there. Alright. The sauce does not disappoint. That is so good. So good. So, this video was really random, by the way. I was just like, I want to do something for you guys. Which, before I get into the topic, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was I'm thinking of posting I don't want to commit and say every single day, but I want to try at least 4 times a week minimum. I'm gonna give you guys some content because I feel like I'm all over the place. And I'm gonna be able to come on here and give you guys content and not make you wait, you know, like 5 days or something. So I finished the show, the Sick Note I was telling you guys about on Netflix. So I finished that. I'm hoping they come back with a season 3 because that show is funny. But I started this new show today. And if you've ever seen the show Good Place, I think it's on NBC. It's a good show. It's more of like a, I'm just hanging out. I want something funny to watch because you're just like, what is going on in that show? But this show that I'm watching, it's called Upload on Amazon Prime. I started it today. It is, I believe it's like 26 minutes long. An episode. It's not very long. These are so good. And the show takes place in like 2033 or something like that. And it tells you in the description of the first episode, it's pretty much like the main character gets into a car accident and you can either choose to die or upload your body. Well, not actually your body, but you know, your soul, let's say, your consciousness, your brain, your thoughts, your all that. And I was sitting here like, that would be pretty dope, like if you could do that, you know? Alright guys, this is the Desert Heat. I'm gonna do this one with no sauce. This is actually my favorite seasoning from Buffalo Wild Wings, so I want to try it without anything on it. That's good. That's cooked to perfection today. That is my favorite. I want to try the jam and jalapeno. I want to try the mango habanero, which is already supposed to be spicy, with without the sauce. and see how it tastes, and then we'll do one with the sauce. So this one. Oh man, I'm excited. And this one is a hit or miss whenever it's spicy. Like today it's spicy. If you guys ever had this one, you know what I mean. I don't know if it just depends on who makes it. Or how much sauce they add to it. I don't really know. I have more space. Could bring that in here. So how are you guys doing? This is a lot of ranch. You guys really need to tune in and watch that show. It's one of those shows that you're like, really? Like, what's going on? You know? Kind of a show. Look at this. Look at this. This is the desert heat. Oh. It's just coming right out. How you know when it's spicy? When your lips go like this and your nose starts dripping, drip, drip. Yum. So yeah, guys. I like watching stuff like that because I just don't know how it's gonna end. So you're in the afterlife. What happens? It's like, where do we go from here? What do we do? What's happening? You know? I don't know. I guess we'll have to tune in to see. What are you guys watching? Anything interesting? I don't want to start. I just don't want to spoil anything for anybody that watches, you know. I'm gonna give it like 5 episodes. I think I watched like 3, and then I could tell you like more about what's going on, you know, kind of thing. Oh, look at my little lemon pepper. Oh my god. When I eat wings, I always tell I get them crispy. I love it crispy. I don't know. You know how like dark meat has like pink in it? I can't. The dark meat needs to be dark, no pink. I feel like, oh. I don't know. It's just me. If I did do videos, right? Let's go back to that. So let's say, look at all the seasoning on this. Like, this is great. This is my favorite one, the desert heat. And it's spicy today. The only one that isn't spicy is the lemon pepper. So let's say I did videos. At least like 4 times a week. What would you guys want to see? Because if you want more seafood, I can do more seafood. If you prefer meals like this, or if you prefer meals that I make at home besides seafood. Like yesterday, I was gonna do a mukbang and I didn't, because I was like, oh man, I didn't want to like fix my hair or whatever, which I mean it's not really fixed now, but you know, I just was like, oh man, I just want to eat with my family and hang out. And I did a mukbang, and the mukbang was, I didn't do a mukbang. I cooked and I made lobster tails. They were so good, with salmon, and I made white rice with like green onions on top to garnish, and then I made fried plantains, the tostones, and I made asparagus and spinach and like a garlic butter sauce. Oh, man, it was so good. But I was like, oh, I don't know, like I just couldn't bring myself to the camera, honestly, but it was good. Whew. Guys, I am getting full. I think I have it in me to eat one more wing and I'm done. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It wasn't bad. I ate a lot. I'm just so full. So guys, yeah, let me know down in the comments if you want to talk about shows, or you know, what you guys want to talk about. If any of you have made it this far into the video, I'm thinking about buying these just for the ladies, these magnetic eyelashes. If you guys have ever tried anything like that, please let me know if it was worth the money, and you know what you guys thought about it. I don't want to invest hundreds of dollars and then just be like, I didn't like it, you know. But alright guys, this was bomb as always. I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.